So this, so when you will learn everyone, because in chapter one, no, place value that. Do you
मैम
remember
ये
I
तो
told you?
लर्न लीजिए, इसमें क्या लर्न करने को?
Oh, 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 oh. When I will take oral test, I will know. How much
यस
confident you
मैम,
are.
ले लो, अभी ले लो।
मैम भी
एक
रजा, मैंने
टेबल
दिया
डालो।
मेरा नंबर।
Okay. And place value time also I told you to learn, right? Then here only you learn. So just learn this one and we will use this, okay, in the sums.
मैम बोलूं मैं? रुको अभी बोलता हूँ।
No, no, no problem. Afterward. Okay, write your name in the chat box. This Nurul has a name. Rohan at 10:17. He has written his name first. So Rohan, you can read the heading and just highlighting it with the rectangle. Rohan, you can read this. Rohan, are you there or not?
No.
Bolio. Left also. Very bad. Then after him, whose name is there? Anas, your name is there after Rohan. So do you want to read? You are also not there. Anas. Anas is also not there. Is a network issue? That's why you are leaving or what? Then after
नेटवर्क इशू।
Anas, after him Nurul. Nurul, are you there or you also left the meeting? Now your name. Rohan has joined. Rohan, why did you leave? You should not left the Google Meet.
मैम लेकिन मेरी
Rohan,
में
you
आपकी
left?
स्क्रीन ओके।
रुआन का फोन है, हैंग हो रहा है मैम।
No problem, but now if it's possible, then just read this way. If possible, if there is not network issue.
मैम मेरा वॉइस आ रहा है? हेलो मैम।
Rohan, now it's
मैम
possible?
फाइन
Now it's working properly or not?
मैम मेरा वॉइस आ रहा है? मैम
Why
मेरा
your
वॉइस
voice
आ
is so
रहा है?
slow? So slow, huh? Please increase the volume of your mic or
मैम मेरा वॉइस आ रहा
mobile,
है?
please. So slow.
मैम मेरा वॉइस आ रहा है?
But who is speaking?
मैम
Okay, let
find
me
the
take someone
selling
else
price
names.
or cost price of the each of these produce with the help of a model।
Okay, and this is product.
मैम ये
Okay,
हमने कर
product.
लिया।
I know, Mohammed Hassan. But you know, what is the problem of your class? That sometimes you forget what I have explained you yesterday. That also.
यस मैम,
That's
भूल जाते हैं थोड़ा।
हाँ तो थोड़ा नहीं बहुत थोड़ा भी नहीं बहुत भूल जाते हो. That's why I'm revising. So this one is the heading which I've explained you that here profit loss and some information are given. You have to find other information. मतलब तीन चीजें होती है उसमें से कोई एक one is missing and other two are given. Here also you can see three things. So from this three information one is missing and two information is given, right? Same way here. You can see everywhere one is missing and two are given. So whenever this kind of questions are given, that one is missing and two are given, so you have to use the formulas only.
मैम मेरा वॉइस आ रहा है?
So now let me explain the first one. The first one I have already explained. This
मैम
first situation. In this you can see this pot is given, and here cost price is given, means whatever expense is there while making this. So 315 and loss is 338. Loss. What is the meaning of loss? Means whenever any person who sells no that any product
मैम कोई माल बेचते हैं उसमें लॉस जाता है।
Yes, very good, Hassan. Okay, means Hassan, remember the concept of this loss and profit. I have already explained also, then also I am revising so that you will also revise it. You will remember this. So you know, no? You remember, no? When
Yes,
loss is there, so which price is more and which is less?
यस मैम। सेलिंग प्राइस मोर होता है तो प्रॉफिट होता है,
Yes, very good.
और कॉस्ट प्राइस होता है तो लॉस होता है।
Very good. Very good, Hassan. So here I have already given you example of pen. Like if I'm saying, okay, I'm buying that a pen
यस मैम।
at 10 rupees. So
यस
if
मैम।
means I'm saying that post price is 10. And suppose if I'm saying that I'm selling that, but with loss of 2 rupees. It means I'm selling that a pen at which price?
10 रुपीज में बेची,
हाँ 10 रुपए
अरे
की पेन है,
कॉस्ट रुपीज है 10 और
10 रुपए
बेची 8 रुपीज में,
की exactly. So selling price is 8 rupees.
तो लॉस हुआ।
हाँ exactly. So you have to just to subtract these two, and that's why here also we are subtracting. You can see 315
यस
minus
मैम।
38.
यस
So
मैम।
now you can just give the heading in your fair book if you have written the notes, because you are also, you didn't check also what was the homework. So I guess you have not written the notes, no?
यस मैम, मैं मेरी रफ बुक में लिख डालूँ।
You can. And what about other students? If your fair book is complete till
मैम
here,
यही होमवर्क है ना।
मेरे लिए का है
the homework was that notes. Obviously. You
मैम
have to
रफ
try
बुक में
this.
लिखो या फेयर बुक में।
If your fair book is complete, then in fair book. If it is incomplete, then in rough book. It depends on you.
इनकम्प्लीट है मेरी फेयर बुक थोड़ी सी।
Then in rough book. Then in rough book,
यस।
just try this subtraction sum.
यस
Then,
मैम।
then I will tell
मैम
you
पूरा
something.
लिखो फिर सिर्फ सब्ट्रैक्ट।
Only subtraction sum.
यस मैम।
And everyone compulsory try this, huh? So until I'm telling to Bojani Mohammad Ghazi, you can try this one. Bojani Mohammad Ghazi. Do you want to try this subtraction sum or not?
मैम 2 मिनट है।
હું જવાદને શીખવાડું છું આજ જવાદનો સરસ તો હું જવાદને શીખવાડે
Yeah, this is. Wait, this is only subtraction sum which you used to do.
मैम 5 के बाद 1 के ऊपर 0 आएगा 1 के बाद। ये तो जोड़ो।
Okay, I guess Hassan, you can only do.
यस मैम। जोर से हम दबावવાનું હોય ખાલી એકવાર આમ દબાવીશ ને તો જોર से આગે લગી જાય પાછું એ કામ આગે।
Hassan, you can do, and you can tell me, can we subtract 8 from 5? First, we are starting from here.
यस
That's
मैम।
why.
यस मैम।
Or we have to do borrowing or that. Can we subtract 8 from 5?
मैम
Yes, Hassan. Acha, Ruhan, no? Who is speaking? Ruhan.
यस
Ruhan, you can do if you want to do.
મેમ માય વોઇસ ઇઝ કમ
Yes, yes. Now it's coming.
मैम 15
मैम
आएगा उधर और उसके बाद में जो 1 है ना वो
मैम
कट हो जाएगा।
Yes, Ruhan.
जैनब मैम
Yes, Ruhan.
मैम आई कैन से
Yes, Ruhan. Okay. Can we subtract 8 from 5?
मैम
5 के बाजू में 1 आ जाएगा, 1 के बाजू में 0, 3 के
Yes, this one
3
we will
कट
cut, we will
करके
write a 0, then we will give
यस
1 to this. Now it is 15. So 15 minus 8 you have to do. So tell me the answer.
हाँ अबे ये आ देखते हैं 1 2 3
Yes, ma'am.
मैम 7
Then now again compare 0 and 3. Can we subtract 3 from 0?
3 कट होगा
10.
मैम
10.
3 we
Ma'am,
will cut,
10
we
answer
will write
आएगा.
here
मैम 10
this 4 number and then we'll give
यस
Zero को
here
कट
10
10
करके
minus
10.
3. So now 10 minus 2.
मैम मैम 7
Yes. And then
मैम और उसके बाजू में 2
so now just match your answer. Those who have tried there.
277 277
Match your answer. Did you get the same one
सेलिंग प्राइस
when you tried at that time?
Ma'am.
Match your answer.
ये नहीं जावा
Ma'am.
Yes.
मैम सेम आंसर आ रहा है
Okay. Okay. Then what about other students?
Ma'am. Zainab ma'am.
What?
मैम मेरे लिए सेम
Hello ma'am.
Yes, Ruhan. Then Mithani Elibas, you match your answer. Akil. Then Bojani Ghazi.
5
Asar Hussain.
3
Charanya Mendi.
2 मेरा भी सही
Virani.
है
Okay. Virani Mohammad Abbas. Keshwani Mohammad Raza. Keshwani
यस
Mustafa.
1
Match your
4
answer.
0
Did
1
you try the subtraction sum or you have
बराबर
not tried?
7
मतलब मेरे को तो
7
सब्ट्रैक्शन सम है या तो 2 प्लस होना चाहिए नहीं ये नहीं है वो
मैम
हाँ,
अब
ये
तो
था
पूरा सही आ रहा है दूसरी बार भी ट्राई कर लिया
Okay,
हाँ
so
मैम
let's do now next one. So here
Yes, ma'am.
also yesterday I have given the example. So first let's see that what is given and what is not given. Okay, which information is
Very
given and
right.
what we have to find.
मैम
So
इसमें ऐड करना है ना
that we will discuss later, but right now who will say Virani Muhammad Abbas?
मैम मैं
Then
बोलूं
हाँ
यस मैम
wait हाँ Virani Muhammad yeah,
मैं बोलूं
अरे wait Charanya
यस
Mehndi.
मैम
Virani Muhammad Abbas, your turn. Then you have to tell me that which information is given and what we have to find here in this question B.
ओके मैम
ओके मैम
सेलिंग प्राइस 3617
मैम मैंने चारों के बीच में
What you said, Virani Muhammad Abbas? In this, what we have to find and what is given, which price is given. And sit at some peaceful place, alone somewhere, or use hands free, and say, here in this question B, here, which price are given, what is given, and what we have to find. Very simple question I have asked you.
यस मैम 690 में से 57 माइनस
वो नहीं बोलना है कि माइनस करना है प्लस सिर्फ क्या दिया है और क्या ढूंढना है वो सिर्फ बोल क्या
अच्छा
ढूंढना
ऐसा
है
तो
हाँ
हमें कॉस्ट प्राइस ढूंढनी है मैम
exactly cost price we have to find so that is not given and which information is given और क्या दिया है
सेलिंग प्राइस और उसका लॉस हुआ हो
loss yes both the things are given selling price is given and loss is given and we have to find cost price
यस
okay, this is the question
मुझे
yes.
पता है
नहीं नहीं I don't want answer नहीं 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 I don't want answer from you first I am explaining the question कि क्वेश्चन क्या है क्वेश्चन में क्या ढूंढना है ओके सो इन द क्वेश्चन यू कैन सी कॉस्ट प्राइस वी हैव टू फाइंड selling price and loss both the things are given so I have given the example of that no yesterday okay, like suppose if I'm selling and buying and selling pens and if I'm selling a pen at suppose 10 rupees and if I got the loss of 2 rupees, it means how much is the cost price? कितना नुकसान, मुझे 2 रुपए का नुकसान हुआ, 10 रुपए मुझे मिले, सेल किया पेन, तो एक्चुअली वो पेन होगी कितने रुपए की, कि मुझे 2 रुपए का नुकसान हो गया, 10 रुपए में बेची
एट
गई.
रुपए की
8 rupees.
8 रुपए.
Think again. Think again. Like you are the person who is selling and buying the pens, okay? You, suppose Zaki. Zaki is buying and selling pens, okay? Now Zaki is selling to me. Now Zaki is selling that one to me and at 10 rupees. मतलब Zaki को 10 रुपए मिले, okay? But उसको तो भी 2 रुपए का नुकसान हुआ है. तो एक्चुअली
12
वो पेन
रुपीज मैम.
कितने की?
12 रुपीज की.
Okay, Hassan is right. Yes. Very good, Hassan. So understood, no? That's why I've explained that example. I have given you
Yes
that
ma'am.
example and I've explained. Okay, you can also think about that. Okay, you are also businessman. Do you want to be a businessman? How many of you want to be? Or you don't want to be? Do you know any businessmen? How they buy and sell
Yes
anything?
ma'am. Yes ma'am.
And other boys?
मैम मैं तो यस कह रहा हूँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Even in so many serials
Yes,
also they
ma'am.
show, no? There are so many serials in which also that electronic showrooms are there. And they buy and sell mobile and TV and that.
Yes ma'am.
So you can think like that. Okay, that's why what we are doing. See here we got 12, how we got? We add this 2 and we got, right? So here what we have to do?
Yes
Addition.
ma'am. Add.
Very good. So we have to add, that's why we got that, okay? So here also we will add. So you can also try this addition sum with me. And then I will tell to someone. And those who want to try this one, here only means to those who want to help, they can write their name in the chat box. And I will ask that student. Nobody has written the name. It means nobody wants to try this one right now. Who want to solve this?
मैं विरान जकी हसन.
Okay, Zaki. Zaki, you can tell me this one. Let me change the color. Okay, can we subtract 7? Sorry, we have to add. So tell me the addition 0 plus 7 that way.
7 plus 7.
मैम मैंने नाम लिखा ना तो भी तुमने मुझे नहीं पूछा. देखो ना
Just
चैट
now I
बॉक्स में.
saw. Just now I saw.
हाँ.
But before that only I asked. No? Now next C you can do because still we have time. So that C you can do. Yes, Zaki. Tell me afterward. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5?
40.
14.
So where we will write 14 and nobody will give the answer in each other's turn. Huh? Those who are giving the answer. 9 plus 5?
14.
14. So where we will write 4 and 1?
4 नीचे 1 ऊपर.
Yes, exactly. Then
7.
so those who have tried, please match the answer.
मैम match the answer.
Means the answer is right or not?
मैम
Just tell
मैं
me.
the answer.
Answer is right. मेरा answer is right मैम.
Okay.
My answer is right.
Okay. Now see. So here you can see that shawl is given. Now Zaki, you only tell me that here which information is given and what we have to find. ये क्वेश्चन सी में क्या क्या दिया है और क्या ढूंढना है.
कोस्ट प्राइस ढूंढनी है हमको.
हाँ, and which information is given, which price and what is given. Two things are given, right? One we have to find cost price. See, this we have to find, and these two are given. So what is given?
Loss.
Loss is given, right? And that what else is given? Which price is given?
One
In the
1,000
1,560. That is what? That is which price?
selling price.
Yes, exactly. So selling price is given, loss is given, and we have to find cost price. So now I'm giving the example of Hassan. Like Hassan, she's also buying and selling the pen,
Yes, ma'am.
and she sold the pen to me only, like at 15
कितने?
rupees. And
Yes.
and he got loss of 5 rupees. ओके मतलब हसन ने मुझे पेन दी है 15
20
रुपए में.
रुपीज की पेन थी मैम,
Yes,
20 रुपीज की
exactly.
पेन थी, 5 रुपीज का लॉस गया और रुपीज में
Yes,
लिखी गई
exactly. So
50
here
रुपीज.
also what we have to do, add, right? We added these two, then only we
Yes,
got
ma'am.
the answer,
Add.
no? So here also we have
Yes.
to add. So now this one
Yes, ma'am.
addition I told to, I guess, Charanya Mendi. So Charanya Mendi, will you do this?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm writing the question, then you can just
मेरा
solve.
आंसर आ गया.
If you have already done in advance, then well and good. So I'm just writing the question 1560, which is selling price, and plus 350, which is loss. Okay. Now you can say Charan Mendi.
0 plus 0 is 0.
Very good. Then
6 plus 5, 11.
very good.
1 carry up and
uh,
9.
very good. Then
And 1.
My right answer.
1,910 is
so whose answer is
the
right?
cost price.
Ma'am, 1910.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
Ma'am, my answer is right. My answer is right.
Very good. So now next Charan and Mendi will only tell me that here which information is given, what we have to find that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. कॉस्ट प्राइस दिया है, प्रॉफिट दिया है, सेलिंग प्राइस लिखने का है.
हाँ, exactly. Very good. So here two information is given. One is cost price is given and profit is given, and we have to find selling price. Now I'm giving the example here.
एसपी ढूंढने का है.
Yes. Selling
SP
price we
ढूंढने
have
का
to
है.
find. Yes, exactly.
किसी को
So suppose I'm
CP
giving
is given, NP also.
example of him only. What is the spelling, Mendi? M-A?
MEHDI.
M-E, no?
ME.
Yes, ma'am. MEHDI.
First he will say by. So suppose now Mehendi is buying and selling the pens. Okay, and he bought that pen. Because here cost price is given, because means he's not saying that what price he's sold that one to me.
20 रुपया,
But
20 रुपया, 20 रुपया.
okay, 20, and he got a profit of 5 rupees. मीन्स 20 रुपए की पेन जो खरीदी है वो 5 रुपए में बेची है, तो कितने
5
में
रुपीज ज्यादा है.
5 का प्रॉफिट हुआ. हाँ, तो कितने
हाँ,
में
5
बेची
रुपीज
होगी?
ज्यादा है. 25 में बेची होंगी.
यस, एग्जैक्टली. तो 5 रुपए का प्रॉफिट उससे तभी मिला होगा ना जब 25 में बेची होगी तभी. So here
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you did? Addition.
Add.
So addition. Again addition you have to do.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this sum whose turn has not come? I don't remember. I guess Hassan's turn has come. Then Charlie Mendy's turn has come.
My turn is not.
हाँ, yes, yes.
मैं yes, ma'am. भोजन का नहीं टर्न आया है.
हाँ, Ghazi
मैम
you
ये
can.
कौन करेगा इसको बोलो. ये सब तो मैं करूंगा ना.
Guys, I'm just copying the question so that you can directly tell me the answer.
Back na left naman bawa kami na mo kung.
Bojani Gazi, now you can solve
zero
this
plus
one.
zero zero.
Hey, not otherwise. Mute the mic. Hassan, you also mute the mic. Then only Gazi, yes. Gazi, you can tell me here. 0 plus 0. Then 8 plus
7.
very good. Then 8 plus 1, 9. Yes. Then
8.
very good. So this was the
Ma'am,
first
my answer
time.
is right.
This was Prophet and very good.
What do you can do?
Then who else has tried and answer is right?
Don't.
Who else has tried and answer is right?
Ma'am, my.
Means Sajjad, no? Who said? Will say your name also.
My, ma'am, my
Mohammed
Mithani
Hassan,
Ali
ma'am.
Abbas.
Ma'am, Mohammed Hassan.
Okay, Gazi, then Hassan. And Zaki and Charanya, maybe you didn't try, right?
Hmm?
Akil also, Mithani Ali Abbas.
मेरा
You are not
सही भी आ
trying?
गया.
Huh?
मेरा सही आंसर भी आ
Okay.
गया.
Okay.
Ma'am, मेरा भी सही आंसर है.
Okay. And Mithani Ali Abbas, what about you? You are not trying? Then Bojani Akil.
मैम
मैम
उसका
मैं
भी सही
ट्राई कर
आंसर है.
राइट है मैम मेरे सारे आंसर राइट
Okay. And then what about Akil?
मैम
Bojani
मेरा
Akil?
भी सारे आंसर राइट है.
Okay, Hassan. Akil,
यस मैम
are you trying this? And are you matching the answer?
यस
The
मैम मैं
answers
तो
are right
मैं
or not?
करता हूँ
Means the answer is right now. Did you try? How Hassan and
यस
they all
मैम
are trying. Okay. Then Asar Hussain. Asar Hussain.
मैम वो नहीं है.
Means he's online in something else.
यस मैम.
Because someone
ऑनलाइन में
told
फ्री
me.
फायर खेलता है.
Even I know who told me. I guess Ruhan or someone told me that whenever he's online here also, at the same time he's online in that Free Fire. Right now also he's online in that one Free Fire.
मैं फ्री फायर पे जैसे कुछ खेलता ही नहीं हूँ.
Very good.
ये मेरे मोबाइल में तो डाउनलोड भी नहीं फ्री फायर पबजी.
Good. Even I don't like. Then next, whose ID is this? Mehndi Raza only is
फ्री
written
फायर
that.
मतलब ही नहीं पता मुझे तो. फ्री फायर का मतलब ही नहीं पता.
तुम्हें नहीं.
मुझे भी.
Then
हमको फ्री में फायर करने मिलता है ना उसको कहते हैं फ्री फायर.
what a definition. It will come in the exam, right? What is Free Fire? Then you will write. Then next name is Muhammad Abbas Virani. Virani Muhammad Abbas, are you trying this one with me?
यस मैम
And your
यस
answers
मैम
are right? Right or wrong?
आंसर
Are you matching the answer? Means like other boys.
यस मैम
Then next
मैम माय आंसर
one.
इज राइट
Okay. Keshwani Muhammad Raza. Are you also online something else or here? Keshwani Muhammad Raza. Are you trying this one? The answer is right, wrong. Say something. Keshwani Muhammad Raza. Keshwani Mustafa.
मैम
And
आप
then
दूसरा कौन है.
Zaki, you are trying only, no? Zaki. It's very bad. And yesterday I have given you homework, no, to learn the formula. So today again you have to learn this, huh?
लन
Today, those who have
Okay.
not learned yesterday's homework, you have to do again today. Write also and learn also. So this way that formula which I had given you in the homework yesterday. And this is that next table. So let's see the heading. So Hassan, you can just read the heading.
Complete the table.
टेबल
So the question is complete the table means in the
Selling
table
price.
also. Array, I'm saying. So in this table, now let me explain. Zaki and Hasan both mute your mic. So I was saying that
Okay,
in this
ma'am.
table you can see that which information is given and what is not given. So again, if we see, if we will just concentrate here, okay? First A. Don't see B, C, D, just A. So in A also you can see two informations are given, one is not given. Means one we have to find. So who will say in A, in the table A, which two informations are given and what you have to find, which price or something? Who will say?
मैम क्या
ए जो क्वेश्चन ए है ना टेबल में ए, उसमें क्या क्या दिया है और क्या ढूंढना है?
₹2,385
अल्लाह पजल तो दिख
फर्स्ट
दो
प्राइस और लॉस ढूंढना है मैम
नहीं, लॉस इन द लॉस सी डैश इज गिवन नो, इट
फर्स्ट
मींस दैट
प्राइस ढूंढना है
हाँ एनी वन थिंग,
फर्स्ट प्राइस
दिस वी हैव
मैम
टू फाइंड.
प्रॉफिट
हाँ, these
फर्स्ट
two are
प्राइस
given and this we have to find. Understood? Cost price
ओके
we have to
मैम
find.
सारे के सारे हम ढूंढ डालेंगे
So whenever profit is given, no, and we have to find cost price, so we'll
यस
use
मैम
this formula. Means we have to subtract these two. 2385 minus 195.
मैम मैं सबसे करूँ आपको
And wherever loss is given, no, like in this, you can see in this question B. I'm rubbing this. In this one B. In B, you can see not profit, but instead of that, loss is given. So whenever loss is given, it means you will use this formula, this one, and you will add this two, this one and this two. In this, you will subtract wherever profit is given. Wherever loss is given, you will add. Understood? No, this profit is given, subtract, loss is given, add. Understood this one? How to find cost price? Cost price ढूंढनी है सब में. किसी किसी में सेलिंग प्राइस के साथ प्रॉफिट भी है, किसी किसी में सेलिंग प्राइस के साथ लॉस भी है. जहां लॉस दिया हो वहां पे एडिशन करना है, प्रॉफिट दिया है वहां पे सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. अंडरस्टूड?
मैम
यस मैम
मैम एक का कॉस्ट प्राइस है मैम बोलूँ एक का
नहीं नहीं, आंसर नहीं बोलना है अभी. जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट वेदर यू हैव टू डू एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन.
मैम तो सम लिख डालो
हाँ, आई एम गिविंग दिस नोट इन होमवर्क.
पीडीएफ सेंड करने वाले हो
यस मैम
आई हैव ऑलरेडी
मैम
सेंड.
पूरा टेबल ही लिखे ना
ओके मैम
ट्राई दिस इन द होमवर्क.
ये सब कुछ लिखना है घर पे ही.
Yes, from that this PDF. Means whatever is incomplete from this PDF, this one, this question one also.
आय
Just now we have finished this
ये
one no,
complete नहीं
question
है.
one.
ये कंप्लीट नहीं, ये कंप्लीट है ये मेरा.
So and then this one is table, that table. Just now which I said no that. But don't copy the answer from this, huh?
मैम थोड़ा नीचे करो ना 2 मिनट
क्यों? So just try this one and even try that puzzle also which I had given you. Because nobody has sent me the
मैं वो
answer.
तो मैं भूल ही गया. इसके साथ
मैम आपके
जल्दी
पर्सनल
ना मैं कर डालूं वो सुडोकू
मैम आपके पर्सनल नंबर पे डालना है
मैम
Obviously, yes, to me
क्या
personally.
करने का
यस
है
मैम
1 to 9 you have to arrange. 1 to 9 arrange करना है. 1 to 9. ऐसे भी और एक बॉक्स में भी रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay. Now we will meet tomorrow.